Good morning, students. In the previous videos, we discussed about the different types of synthetic fibers. We discussed about rayon, which is resembles to silk. We discussed about nylon, which is also known as the wonder polymer. We discussed about terylene, which is used for making raincoats. We discussed about PET, polyethylene tetraphthalate, which is used for making the containers for packaging of foods. In today's class, we are going to discuss about a very important synthetic fiber. This fiber is used. This is also the resemble to wool. Okay, so we are going to discuss about a fiber that is acrylic fiber. Here it is acrylic fiber. There is another name of acrylic fiber. The acrylic fiber also known as acrylon. Okay, acrylon. It resembles to wool. So as the rayon was the silk-like fiber, here it is wool-like fiber. Okay, it is very well known to all of us that is wool is the natural fiber which is used for making clothes, making sweater, and so on. So here, like the wool, acrylon is also used for making sweater, blankets. You can say that it is used for making shawls and so on. So acrylic fiber, or you can say the acrylon, it is resembles to wool. So it is given in your book. Let you discuss about from the book. Here it is. There are some synthetic fibers which appears to resembles to wool. We wear the sweater and shorts in winter. Many of these are not actually made up of wool. There is the actual wool here. We used to use the acrylic fiber or acrylon for making sweater and this types of clothes. You can say. So uses of acrylic fiber. Let me discuss about the uses of acrylic fiber. So it is clear to all of you that it is used for making sweater, it is used for making shawls, it is used for making blankets, and there is a very great property, very good property of acrylic fiber. There is acrylic fiber can be, it is available in wide range of colors. So you can choose the sweater in different colors, okay, which are made up of acrylic fiber. But it is quite difficult to get different colors of sweater which are fully made up of wool, okay, natural wool. So acrylic fiber are made up of acrylic, I mean, or you can say the articles which are made up of acrylic fibers. This will be quite less expensive as compared to the articles which are made up of pure wool. Okay, so these are the advantages of acrylic fiber. So here we discuss about the uses of acrylic fiber. So what will be the use of acrylic fiber? It is used for making blankets, it is used for making clothes, it is used for making sweater and shawls. Okay, so these are the uses. So if the question is like that, then what is the advantage of using of acrylic fiber? So then you can say the answer that is acrylic fiber is quite less expensive as compared to the clothes which are made up of pure wool. Okay, and acrylic fiber it is less expensive. Okay, as compared to the as compared to the clothes which are made up of pure wool, and it's already said. And another point, what you can say that this one is it is available in varieties of color. Okay, it is available in varieties of color. So you can write this point from your book also. So let me proceed for the next topic here. Here it is the advantages of synthetic fibers. Okay. Advantages of synthetic fibers. So there are so many advantages of synthetic fibers which we are using in our daily life. That those so many synthetic fibers we are using here. So there are so many advantages of synthetic fiber. Let us discuss about some of the advantages of synthetic fiber. I'm not writing here. I'm just going to just deliver this. Here it is. There is the luster or the shine of synthetic fiber. It is long lasting. सिंथेटिक फाइबर का जो चमक होता है वो ज़्यादा दिन तक टिकता है. Okay, here this one is a very good point. They are long lasting as compared to the natural fibers. Okay, synthetic fibers का जो ड्रेस होते हैं या फिर क्लोथ्स होते हैं, they are long lasting as compared to the clothes which are made up of natural fibers. It is very easy to clean. the clothes which are made up of synthetic fiber, these are quite easy to clean. They get dry easily. Okay, they're easy to dry, and they will not shrink on washing. It has been observed that some clothes which are made up of pure cotton and pure natural fibers, they usually shrink after washing. So, but the synthetic fibers, the clothes which are made up of synthetic fibers, they will not shrink on washing. And this one is a very important point, that is, it is not needed to ironing for so many times, or sometimes it's not needed to ironing again. Okay, there are some clothes which we used to use that which are not required continuous ironing for that. But there are some clothes which are purely made up of the cotton. It required so many times of ironing. Okay, so they do not wrinkle. Means the clothes which are made up of synthetic fiber, they are wrinkle free. Okay, and another point that you can say that they are available in varieties of color. They are less expensive as compared to the natural fibers. Okay, so these are the advantages of synthetic fiber. तो क्या क्या बोल सकते हैं कि ये इसका जो शाइन होता है वो ज़्यादा दिन तक रहता है, और क्या बोल सकते हैं ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होते हैं, ये इजीली क्लीन किया जा सकते हैं, इजीली ड्राई होते हैं, और ये रिंकल फ्री होते हैं। तो इसको बार बार आयरनिंग करने का ज़रूरत नहीं होता है ना, कंटिन्यूस आयरनिंग करने का ज़रूरत नहीं होती है। ये वॉश करने से ये श्रिंक नहीं होता है, छोटा नहीं हो जाता है, और ये नेचुरल फाइबर के कंपैरिजन में लेस एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं। ओके, सो दिस आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ सिंथेटिक फाइबर। बट along with the advantages of synthetic fiber, there are some disadvantages also. Okay, so let's discuss about the disadvantages. There are some disadvantages, there are some negative sides of synthetic fibers. Actually, the matter is that the clothes which are made up of natural fiber, this will be more comfortable as compared to the clothes which are made up of synthetic fiber. तो प्योर क्लोथ्स, प्योर फाइबर से बना हुआ जो क्लोथ्स होते हैं वो ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल होते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू द क्लोथ्स विच आर मेड अप ऑफ सिंथेटिक फाइबर। तो ये एक इनका ड्रॉबैक है, या फिर आप बोल सकते हो कि इनका एक नेगेटिव साइड है। ठीक है, कि ये जो है कि सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स का जो क्लोथ्स होते हैं, एक्चुअली सिंथेटिक फाइबर जो होते हैं इनका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट बहुत कम होता है। तो सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स दे हैव अ लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, सो इट कैन कैचेस फायर व्हेन इट विल कम इन कांटेक्ट विद फायर सो क्लोजर। ओके, अगर बहुत पास पास आ जाए कि सिंथेटिक फाइबर और जैसे कि फायर अगर पास पास आता है तो उसमें आग लगने का चांस बहुत ज़्यादा होता है। ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा है कि नेचुरल में नहीं होगा, लेकिन इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा होगा एज कम्पेयर टू द नेचुरल फाइबर्स। ओके, so it is advised not to wear the clothes which are made up of synthetic fiber in kitchen. इन जनरली बोला जाता है किचन में खाना बनाने के टाइम पे या फिर कुछ काम करने के टाइम पे सिंथेटिक फाइबर से बना हुआ ड्रेस जो है वो सबको थोड़ा सा अवॉइड करना चाहिए। So this one is the disadvantage of this. Another disadvantage you can say that is they are non-biodegradable. What do you mean by non-biodegradable? Means synthetic fibers are non-biodegradable. Means synthetic fibers will not be mixed with obviously fully synthetic fibers will not be mixed with the soil. Okay, as a result, you can say that some materials are there which will get decomposed by the natural process, by the virus, bacteria, and you can say the other substances, microorganisms. Okay, they get decomposed and they mix with the soil. They are called biodegradable materials, and those materials which will not be decomposed and they will not mix with the soil, they are called non-biodegradable materials. Like plastics, these are non-biodegradable material, and paper, vegetables, these are the biodegradable materials. So synthetic fibers, these are non-biodegradable, so they will not be mixed with the soil. As a result, they will pollute the environment. So this one is a very bad effect of the synthetic fiber कि synthetic fiber जो है वो non-biodegradable होते हैं और ये pollution कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, सॉइल पोल्यूशन बोलो या फिर एयर पोल्यूशन बोलो, दिस वन। एंड वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट दैट इज द सिंथेटिक फाइबर दे एब्सॉर्ब अ वेरी लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. It means that when we are wearing the clothes which are made up of synthetic fiber in summer, then it will not absorb the so much amount of sweat. Okay, as a result, what will happen? We will feel more uncomfortable in summer when wearing the clothes which are made up of synthetic fiber. सो अगर हम लोग गर्मी के टाइम में सिंथेटिक फाइबर वाला कपड़ा पहनेंगे तो फिर उसमें ड्रेस पहनेंगे तो क्या होगा, प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि उसमें जो पसीना होता है या स्वेट जो होता है वो उसको एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर पाएगा, तो अल्टीमेटली क्या होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा अनकंफर्टेबल लगेगा. सो इट इज़ एडवाइजेबल नॉट टू वेयर द not to wear the clothes which are made up of synthetic fiber in summer. तो ये सब क्या है कि सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स का डिसएडवांटेजेस है। ठीक है, तो डिसएडवांटेज क्या क्या सीखे हम लोग कि एक तो इसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट कम होता है, तो किचन में यूज़ करने के लिए मना किया जाता है। सेकंड, किचन में हम लोग कंफर्टेबली यूज़ नहीं कर पाएंगे। सेकंड वन, ये ज़्यादा स्वेट को एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर पाएगा, एज ए रिजल्ट विल फील मोर अनकंफर्टेबल इन समर। Another point, there is synthetic fibers, these are non-biodegradable, so they can pollute the environment. Okay, so these are the disadvantages. Okay, let me discuss about some questions from the exercise here. I will advise you to solve the questions from the exercise. I am not discussing about the exercise question here and now. You have to try to solve the exercise question. If you will face any problem while solving the exercise question, you can ask me the question in comment section also. Okay, try to solve this type of question, and in the next class we will discuss about the remaining topics, that is the plastics. Learn after this. Thank you.